What's up? Matt from Fab here. In today's video I'm going to be making some racking. This is the drawing I've been sent over. This is for Castle Combe, and it's like a metal rack to hang flags in, I think. Each one of these sections is 2.5 meters long, so there's a lot of these bars sticking out that all have to be exactly the same height. They can't move when you weld it, otherwise it's going to look all wobbly. So we're going to spend some time making a fixture to make assembling this a bit easier. But first thing I'm going to do is just draw this into 2D CAD, which will make making a fixture much easier. So we just got 50 by 50 box section with 25 by 25 box section welded in. This would be the wall fixed here. We've got a 10-degree incline on this so that everything just stays in place. So this is going to be the flat of the fixture table. I'll have some stops here just to butt the box section up to, and then I need to make 2 fixtures that basically hold this exactly at that angle, which is 10 degrees. Right, so this will make sense in a minute, but I can measure off the table that distance, which is 181 mil. Put my first fixture 181 mil from the box, and then the second one 362 mil from the box. And then I know with the box fixed in that place, I've got the exact 10-degree angle. So this is the setup. I've cut a 10-degree angle on all of these. So I've been using the HTP Revolution 2500 for this job. I've got it set on the synergic MIG mode, where it does everything for you. I just put in the material thickness, 2.5mm. I've got a trim of 0.5 volt higher because I'm running a 1mm wire, and the settings in this machine are done to 0.9mm wire, which we don't really get in the UK. This is an American machine, so just a bit more voltage to make up the difference in the wire thickness, but runs really nice. So I've just been continually clamping this as much as I can. It's thin wall box section, so it's really easy to banana it, but it's come out really good with this little jig fixture. These are all perfectly in line, so that's good. Just need to make some brackets now to weld on the back. This is going to be screwed to a brick wall, so yeah, make some brackets, clean everything up, stick some paint on it, and we'll be done. You're going to be in it. You're going to be my helper.